Wait a moment. Who is that mysterious cat I see in the mirror's reflection? It's quite a surprise. Oh my whiskers, would you look at that? He's copying absolutely everything that Antics does. Just look at that adorable face. He genuinely thinks it's another cat friend. Now he's running all around the room, trying his best to find his new friend. Oh, Antics, you're such a silly and playful little football, aren't you? Finally, with a bit of exhaustion, he sits down, lets out a soft sigh, and gives the mirror cat a warm, friendly smile. I guess he just made a new best friend today. Yellow heart. If this little scene made you smile even a little bit, just wait until you actually see what happens next in our series. Thank you for watching.